Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to see who likes you on Bumble. So this is super cool. We need to go to the website hexmods.com, and on this site, we're just going to type in Bumble and you will see the Bumble mod appear. So just press on it and press the download button. Now before it downloads, there will be a verification, and what we have to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. 100% for free from the official App Store. Now, the reason behind this is the Bumble mod allows you to see who likes you, but there's no way it could ever be released because it goes against the Bumble code of ethics. So, of course, we have our mod and it's on this website where you can download it, but in order to get it, you have to do this little step where you have to install some apps which have the remaining code. I'm in the US, so apparently if you're in another country, the apps may be different. But all you have to do is download 2 of them and follow instructions. I'm on an Android, so if you're on an iPhone, it'll bring you to the App Store, but you can see. So anyway, you can see misplay, downstall, play 4 games in 5 minutes, downstall, register valid info. So just do whatever you can do. This is an AI, you can talk to it. So it's super cool, guys, and that is how to get free Bumble Premium, and then you can see who likes you. So yeah, it's super cool. So I will see you guys later. Just make sure you download at least 2 of the apps and follow the instructions, and then you'll get Bumble Premium for free. So it's super epic because, guys, Bumble sucks because they never will let you see who likes you. That's against their code unless you pay for the Bumble Premium. But with this mod, you do not have to pay for the Bumble Premium. I guess you effectively get it for free. So yeah, this is super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. Super insane, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you, be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you in another video. Peace out, bro.